You asked for it, and I came to deliver. Let's get into this look real quick. Today we will be doing a detailed traditional sew-in. My client wanted a side part, so I'm just showing you her leave out, and now we are braiding her up. Foundation is definitely key for a bomb sew-in. So ladies, please take your time when you're doing your install to make sure your braids are done neatly. For extra protection, I put a net over her hair. Not only does this allow the install to last longer, it also helps with the fold over method being flat. So the first stitch is done right above the ear, and as you can see, I'm bringing it around to the front. Because she has a deep side part, we want that hair to fall in front of her face. A lot of this video is very repetitive, but you guys wanted to see the details and how I go about it. So I'm just finishing this off, and then we're going to end it by clipping the extensions. By clipping the ends here, it allows the install to lay flat, and I'm just showing you the second placement of the second track. I will be double wefting her whole install because she wants her hair to be super full. Remember, when sewing a side part, you have to angle the tracks towards the side part. You don't want to be sewing back and forth straight across. You would want to curve your tracks on the side where the side part is. Here is up close and personal on the fold over method, and if you notice, I fold over in the gap of the braid. I do not fold over on top of the braids because that allows it to be bumpy, and you want where you fold over to be flat. So this is where the net comes into play because you're allowed to sew into the gaps of the braids. For example, that's as if you're sewing under the braid, like how we did with the first track. Like I said, this is very repetitive, and I'm showing here again where I am sewing in the gap for the flip over part of the sew-in. Now that we reach to the top of the head, the right side of the sew-in has way more space, so we have to fill that up. So once we get close to the top, you won't be going from one side of the head to the other anymore. I'm showing you how you're going to stack your tracks for the right side of the sew-in. And this will allow her bangs on the right side to become full. Yay! So I am just finishing off this sew-in. This is the last track. Notice how close I'm getting this stitch to her scalp. No, it is not tight. And I am also able to get this stitch this close to her scalp because of the net. Look how clean the stitch is. Look how close it is to the scalp. Listen to me. This install is literally going to be flatter than flat. If you don't believe me, I will insert the clip where we will be getting up close and personal. When I tell you I enjoy doing this install, I really did. I haven't done a side part bust down like this in so long. Look at that, flatter than flat. Oh my gosh. Let me know who, and I mean who, is giving y'all a side part bust down like this. As you can see, my client is feeling herself. She really loves her install. Yeah, she just got knocked out. Now y'all can't say that I didn't give y'all the tea on how to get a flat install. And if you like this video, make sure to comment down below and let's see who's next.